In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Metatrader for automated trading. We're going to walk through adding an expert advisor, turning on auto trading, attaching the EA to your chart, and confirming it's actually running. If you already have your EA file ready, keep it nearby so we can drop it into the right folder. Let's start by adding the EA file to Metatrader 4. With MT4 open, go to the top menu and click File, then Open Data folder. This takes you straight into MT4's working directory. Open the MQL4 folder, then open the Experts folder. This is the only place MT4 looks for expert advisors. Now paste your EA file here. It can be either .tx4 or .mq4. If MT4 was open while you did this, it will usually refresh automatically. If you don't see it appear later in the navigator, a quick restart of the platform helps. Keeping your EAs organized here makes them easy to find whenever you need them. Next, enable global auto trading. Look at the top toolbar for the auto trading button. Click it until it turns green. Green means MT4 will allow any EA with permission to place trades. If it's red, the EA can load, but it won't trade. Think of this as the master switch that must be on before anything else can work. Now attach the EA to a chart. Press Ctrl+N to open the navigator and expand Expert Advisors. You should see your EA listed. Drag and drop it onto the chart of the currency pair and time frame you want the EA to manage. Each chart you attach an EA to runs its own instance, so choose the symbol and time frame intentionally. When the EA settings window opens, make sure you check Allow Live Trading, then click OK. You can review inputs in this window to understand what the EA can adjust, but only change them if you know what they do. Finally, verify activation. Look at the top right of the chart. You should see the EA's name and a smiley face. That smiley face indicates the EA is running and ready to trade under its rules. If you see a sad face or nothing at all, double-check that auto trading is green and that Allow Live Trading is enabled in the EA settings. You can also glance at the Experts or Journal tabs at the bottom of MT4 for status messages. They're helpful for understanding what the EA is doing. And that's it. Your EA is installed, auto trading is on, it's attached to the right chart, and you've confirmed it's active with the smiley face indicator.